Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And American Express Platinum Travel Card, you generally cannot take it right now because of a simple reason that Amex have closed its application and you cannot apply for a new American Express Platinum Travel Card. But yesterday something important happened, and if you have followed us on our Twitter where we have more than 12,000 followers, we just posted something which was very exciting. Basically, you cannot apply for a platinum travel card or an MRCC card or even a SmartEarn card as of now. But there is a way we can get all three of these cards. I will be putting the link in the description, but there is a certain way to it and there may be some risks involved as well. So do your own research before doing anything. But let's go back to the tweet so that we are able to understand what happened yesterday. So basically, you cannot apply for these cards directly, but the way you can do it is the applications are right now open for the Amex Platinum Reserve Card, which is their second top bent card in India as of now, if you don't count the Centurion card. So Platinum Reserve comes at a fees of 10,000 plus GST. It's not a very good card, but it can give you a pathway to get all the other three cards. So what you do is you have to apply for this card. I'll be dropping a link in the description. I'm not very sure when you click on it, it works or not. But how you are going to do it is you can apply it from the website. You can apply it. You can DM me for the link if it is required by you. So it is basically a referral link for the Platinum Reserve Card. Now you have to apply for this card, and if this card gets approved, so there will be a time between the card approval and card generation, you're receiving the card, and maybe a 7 to 10 days of delay when your card statements get generated where the annual fees is charged. So in between that, you have to apply using the links which I have provided in the description. So there are three links. It will look something like this. And you have to click on the card you want. So if you want a platinum travel card, you click on this link. You log in into your account and you upgrade to a platinum travel card or downgrade to a platinum travel card using the platinum reserve card. Now, as per the information I have, even if the annual fees is charged, as soon as you upgrade, so you get the whole fees back on pro rata basis. For example, if you have a platinum reserve card for last 3 or 4 months, you can also use this to upgrade for the application, and you will get the annual fees of the platinum reserve as per your refunded as per your pro rata dates available. Otherwise, if you are applying for a new card, then there is no issues because the card fees has already not been charged. But for the new card, the charges will be applicable. For example, for platinum travel, it's 5,000 plus GST. For the MRCC card, it is 1,500 for the first year, 4,500 for the next year. And for the SmartEarn card, it's 495 plus GST. Accordingly, you will get some bonus reward points as well. And you can upgrade to the card. So this is the only way how you can get the platinum travel and the MRCC card. So this is one part of the video. The second part of the video comes is ki should you or should you not actually get these cards. So if you are in the CC Geeks ecosystem and you have not joined us on the channel before this, so we are Professor Cards. We have just completed 12,000 followers on our Twitter, and if you have not followed us over there, you should, because it's a very dynamic community over there. Apart from that, on our English channel, more than 80% of the people are not subscribing to the channel. That's a very big bummer because we keep making videos, and that is on both our English and Hindi channel. Only 19.6% who have subscribed. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting the channel. Apart from that, we have an Hindi channel with more than 11,100 subscribers, and we have a group of videos which is for member only. Now these videos are nothing special. You can get this information all around the internet, but what you get over here is a collection of videos such as how to pay your credit card bills and earn around 4 to 5,000 rupees in a month, how to pay your rents and get the milestone benefits as well as the base reward rates, how to achieve your fee milestones and your fee waiver in HDFC or any other HDFC card. We have a monthly newsletter video as well, which comes in the last week of the month. How to book your rooms for your friends and family on Marriott, what is the secret redemption options in Cathay Pacific Asia Miles. So these are some collection of videos which is very important to know if you are starting your credit card journey. And then the charges are $199 for the membership. You get access to the WhatsApp group as well, and that WhatsApp group is special because as you join the WhatsApp group, you get access to the smaller groups called Access and HDFC Chat, Amex Chat, Professor Cards main group, that is the super secret group, and voucher trade-off. Now all these groups are very clean. There are no links, no spamming, and it's a two-way communication. Like you can definitely ask your questions as well to the community members as well as me by tagging me. Apart from that, there's a voucher trade-off group which we have just started, and you can just fill up your unused vouchers over there, and you can use the other members of the community can use this group to get your vouchers off your chest. So this is a win-win situation for everyone. The channel gets supported as well. So as soon as you get the membership on our Hindi channel, I'll drop a link in the description. You just have to fill up the form which you will get after being a member, and I'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Let's go back to the video. So Platinum Reserve Card, it is not such a good card as of now, but people who are getting this card are generally getting for the Core Explorer membership, which it is complimentary with. And again, after that, they are upgrading the card. So the first card they are upgrading, and most of the people are upgrading, is to the American Express Platinum Travel Card. One more information, people can have 2 American Express Platinum Travel Cards. That has been confirmed by their chat as well, and people all over Twitter have more than 2. I have cancelled mine like last month only. So again, it was not that useful for me. So I have cancelled this, and gold charge only the card I have is MRCC, and I can actually take 2 MRCCs for that matter. That would be more beneficial for me for instead of having 1 Platinum Travel or 2 gold charge, something like that. So for the first year, you get 10,000 membership reward points, but plus you get some referral benefits as well if you're using a referral link. The charges are 5,900 for all the years, and you get 2 milestones. At 1.9 lakh, you get 15,000 bonus MR points, and at 4 lakh, you get 25,000 MR points. So total 40,000 MR points, plus at 4 lakh, you get a 10,000 Taj voucher as well for the fees you have. So in the first year, you basically get a decent amount of MR points. You get somewhere, including the base, you get somewhere around 60 to 70,000 of MR points plus the 10,000 rupees Taj voucher. So if for the first year you are not able to sell if you are not able to pay the fees, you can actually sell your Taj voucher, and you can refill your fees on that. So apart from that, this card doesn't have a lot of benefits as far as the soft benefits are concerned, but you get access to the lounge access, that is 8 complimentary visits per year. That is limited to 2 per year, but your guest, if they use it for using the add-on cards, it is charged extra. And you can use this card to pay for any and every transaction. It will be included in the milestone at least, even if you don't get the membership reward points for the base spends. So the excluded are fuel, insurance, utilities, cash transaction, EMI transactions at point of sale. You don't get reward point. If you are purchasing online and then converting into EMI, you actually get MR points for that as well. I have done that in last year. Apart from that, you have a priority pass, you have fuel convenience fee waiver at HPCL, you get 20% discount at select restaurants, and again, this card is one of the most high-end cards, like the most wanted cards by a lot of people. So that is why I think if you are interested, if you don't have any other high-end card, you should consider this card. The second card which is in the list is the American Express Gold Charge, which you cannot upgrade. So we are not going to discuss about it. But this card is beneficial for only one thing. That is, when you spend 1,006 times per month, you get 1,000 milestone. Plus, if you use it on the rewards multiplier website from Amex, from Gifter, you get 10 reward points per 100 on this card. The reward multiplier is at a 5x accelerated reward rate. So you basically get 100 reward points for every 1,000 spends, and for 6,000 spent in a month, you get 1,600 membership reward points. In a year, it reaches out to 19,200 MR points on spends of rupees 72,000. Apart from that, if you keep continuing the accelerated reward points, you can purchase it every month on your gold charge card. But again, this card is, let's not discuss because you cannot upgrade it. The third card which you can upgrade is to the MRCC card. Again, a very good card because this is the only card in the membership reward portfolio in the Amex's global chain where you can get a full fee waiver when you spend more than 1.5 lakh in a month, and that will be easily achievable because this card has two milestones. One is the normal 1500 rupees spent 4 times in a month on anywhere, you get 1000 MR points, and the second milestone will be the 20,000 rupees in a month you spend anywhere, you get 1000 miles. So you basically get 24,000 extra MR points on hitting the milestone every month. That's 20,000 per month. Apart from that, you get a base reward of 2 reward points per 100, and you get accelerated reward rate of 2x. So you basically get 4x when you use it on membership rewards multiplier website. You get 1 reward points for every 50 except on fuel, insurance, utility, cash transaction, EMI at point of sale. And if you spend less than 90,000 in a year, you have to pay the full fees of 4,500 plus GST, that is 5,310. If you spend between 1,50,000 and between 90,000, you have to pay half of the fees. Otherwise, if you spend more than 1.5 lakh, you don't have to pay anything. So 2 reward points we have already discussed. Additional reward points of 5,000 on the first year card when you pay the fees, and you basically get access to the gold collection as well, which is not available for platinum travel card. So for gold collection, there is 2 parts. One is the 24 carat where you can get a Taj voucher for rupees 14,000 when you spend 24,000 MR points. You get a Taj shopper stop voucher for 10,000 for 24,000 MR points. Tata Click voucher for 9,000, Tanishq voucher for 9,000, Amazon voucher 8,000, Flipkart 8,000, and Reliance Digital 8,000. However, the best, like if you have 24,000 MR points, you can convert it into Marriott points and you can get miles or hotel stays as per your requirement. The 18,000 points, the 18 karat gold collection is even worse, so don't go for these. And you get the 20% discount on fine dining, 24/7 services, and fuel convenience fees of 0% at the HPCL bunks, petrol bunks. So these are the 2 cards we just discussed, and the third is the SmartEarn card, which comes at an annual fees of 495. You get accelerated reward points when you spend on Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, Book My Show, Zomato, Is My Trip, and many more. It depends on which websites are there. Apart from that, you get 500 cashback on spends of rupees 10,000 in the first 90 days. You can earn voucher rupees 500 when you spend 1.2 lakh, 1.8 lakh, and 2.4 lakh in a year. Renewal benefit is like the fee waiver is at 40,000 rupees in the previous year, and you get 10x reward points at Zomato, AJIO, Nykaa, Book My Show, Uber, and many more. So otherwise you get 1 reward points per 50, and with this you get 10 reward points for 50, 10 reward points per 50 rupees spent. 5x on Amazon, you get 5 reward points for MR points per 50 rupees spent. Otherwise, on few except all other spends, you get 1 reward points. On fuel, insurance, utility, cash transaction, and EMI, you get no reward points. And you can basically earn up to 1250 membership reward points on SmartEarn on spending only 7,500. How? When you spend 2,500 on the 10x partner, you get 500 reward points with the 10x rewards multiplier. On Amazon, Flipkart, Book My Show, Uber, you get with the 10x partners like Book My Show, Flipkart, Uber, you get, again, for spending 2,500 you get 500 reward points, and on spending 2,500 on Amazon you get 250 membership reward points. So basically, you for spending 7,500 you are earning 1,250 membership reward points, which is actually near to the MRCC 6,000 rupees spend which you can get for this card as well. So again, a very decent thing. Apart from that, you have a fuel surcharge waiver at HPCL when you spend between less than 5,000 rupees, and 1% convenience charge is there if you spend more than 5,000. So these are all the benefits of the card. A lot of you have asked me to explain these cards to you. This is how I can explain it easily. And again, the choice is yours. If you want a card, this is a way which you can go. There is a link in the description. It may or may not work. You can click on it. You can, if it is working, you can apply. It's an referral link. Your application, if approved, you also get benefits. And if that doesn't work, you can directly apply, but I'll recommend you to go through somebody else's referral link. Let me know if you need one. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Let's see each other in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. See you. And do subscribe to the channel. Jai Hind.